Research is often perceived as this vague, complicated process that happens totally behind the scenes. You might think of spreadsheets, survey responses, quantitative data, or post it notes all over the wall. But if you know where to look, you can find the result of great research in the apps and websites that you're using every day. Take this icon, for example, the settings gear. This is one that you've probably seen and interacted with a million times. And when you tap this icon, you can expect to find the usual stuff. Maybe a way to change your password, some billing information, some fine print, privacy policies buried in there. And those things that you'd expect to see there are going to be there for 99% of products. Same icon, same menu, and in many cases, the same assumptions about what users need. But every once in a while, you'll find a product that goes beyond the status quo. So check out Insight Timer. This is one of the most popular meditation and mindfulness apps out there. Going into their settings menu, you'll see a lot of the usual stuff that I just mentioned, but you'll also see a few things that you won't find in many other apps, specifically these toggles and filters for belief systems to screen out any content that you don't want included in your feed. These toggles might seem like a minor feature buried away in the menu, but they actually show a really deep understanding, not just of what users want, but also some of the personal and sensitive aspects that come into play with meditation. These filters and many of the other fine tuned features in Insight Timer were not copied from other apps. They came from listening and really understanding users and what they need. That's the result of great research. You might not see the process behind the scenes, but you can see it in the details and you can feel it as a user when everything works exactly how you would want it to. I love these little details that reveal so much about the designers and researchers. So if you've got any examples, share them in the comments so I can check them out.